So hello and welcome back. In this video we're going to be having a look at my all-time favourite microphone that's in around 90% of my field recordings. It's not an expensive mic and it's not from a big fancy brand either. It is in fact this little guy right here. This is my custom-made binaural microphone. It uses very inexpensive materials, most of which you probably already have at home. If not, you can source them from most DIY stores, and it uses very low noise, high sensitivity capsules, making it a really good choice for binaural recordings. Now in the next clip we're going to drop down to the desk. I'm going to show you how I constructed it, and then we'll go outside and find some really nice interesting sounds to listen to try and get the most from this little rig. So I'll see you in just a second. So here we are down at the desk. Hopefully you'll get a better idea of how I've constructed this little mic rig, and hopefully you'll see how easy it is for yourself to put together. Now for the mic capsules, I've actually used the AOM 5024L capsules just because they are very cheap, a few pounds each, and they sound really good. They're low noise, high sensitivity, giving us a nice clean detailed recording. Now in terms of the housing, I've actually used a piece of square PVC downpipe, 65mm by 65mm, and I've cut that to about 4.5 inches or thereabouts, really just to keep it as small and compact as possible. Then I've siliconed on these ears to a end cap here, 65mm end cap. I've drilled through this poor little fella's ear canal, and I've taken the cable out through here, out into the back of the housing, where I've soldered on the cable to two 3.5mm female mono panel mounts. That will give me access at the back here, so I can run my cables from here into my field recorder. Now the reason why I've gone for 3.5mm is purely because some of my field recorders don't have XLR, and I might want to use this with those field recorders as well. Now to mount this to a tripod, all I've done was attach a cold shoe mount adapter at the back there, or on the bottom there. Then I've poked it through a hole that I've made, I've drilled, and then I've attached this 1/4 inch to 1/4 inch female thread adapter. So now I can use that on pretty much any tripod that I like. Then lastly, just to finish it off, I've literally just put a carbon style vinyl wrap on there just to make it look a little bit nicer. So there we go, a very simple, very straightforward custom microphone build. If you've got a spare 60 minutes yourself, I'm willing to bet you'll be able to do exactly the same thing. But more importantly right now, let's stick on a pair of headphones, go outside and do a real world test and see exactly how this little rig performs. And there we have it. That just about concludes today's video. Hopefully it showed you that with a little free time and some tinkering, it can allow you the freedom to create not just your own sounds, but the hardware that records them. Any questions, just drop them below. And until next time, thanks again.